Hey guys, Andrew here for Nextrift, and we're gonna talk about a gaming laptop today. As gaming laptops get thinner and lighter, you'd think they get more portable as well, but that is surprisingly not the case at all. But that's not the same with this laptop right here, the Level51 Vapor 15 Pro. Not only is it a lightweight machine, tipping the scales at only 1.87 kg, it's also very portable, especially for a gaming laptop. And we're gonna take a quick look at this machine right now. One of the highlights of the Vapor 15 Pro is the fact that this chassis is actually made in collaboration with Intel, and the result is fantastic. The whole laptop has solid build quality thanks to the use of magnesium alloy, the palm rest area is cool and nice to the touch, and even the lid can be lifted with only one hand. Basically, it's a refined and very well designed chassis. And then there's the design of the Vapor 15 Pro, and what's most impressive to me at least is the fact that the screen bezels are really minimal, especially the bottom part. As a result, this gaming laptop is noticeably a lot more portable than other gaming machines. Besides that, it's also a relatively lightweight and slim gaming laptop. As mentioned, it weighs only 1.87 kg and it measures only 20.5mm thin. While that doesn't exactly make it the thinnest gaming laptop around, it is definitely noticeably thinner than other gaming machines in the market now. Beyond design, the Vapor 15 Pro is really quite a powerful gaming laptop. It comes with an Intel Core i7-9750H processor paired with either a GTX 1660 Ti or a more powerful RTX 2070 Max-Q. This particular machine that we have is the 1660 Ti model, and I haven't had the opportunity to test a lot of games with this machine yet, but stay tuned for that in a full review of this machine. Besides that, it also has a 15.6-inch 1080p display with a fast 144Hz refresh rate, 16GB of RAM, and 512GB of SSD storage. It's also worth noting that this laptop has a generous 94Wh battery, so battery life should be really quite good on this laptop. I'll definitely put this to the test again in a full review of this laptop. Last but definitely not least are the input devices of the Vapor 15 Pro, starting with this mechanical keyboard. Yes, it's a mechanical keyboard on the laptop and it's actually surprisingly good. It has 2mm of key travel, which is actually quite a lot for a laptop, and it's not overly loud either despite the fact that this is a mechanical based keyboard. However, some may not be a fan of this mechanical keyboard. You see, unlike rubber dome keyboards found in most gaming laptops, this mechanical keyboard, the tactile feedback is not quite as pronounced. As a result, the keys don't bounce back up the same way rubber dome keyboards do, and paired with the lighter actuation force on this keyboard, giving it a light feeling, you may need some adjustment time moving on to this keyboard. Anyway, we also have the trackpad of the Vapor 15 Pro, and it's reasonably good. It has a smooth surface, it can track my fingers accurately, and as a whole, I think I can get used to this even without a mouse. That being said, it doesn't feel particularly solid for some reason. It could be limited to just this unit, but I mean, the moment I touch on the trackpad, you can feel that there's a slight wobble when I tap on it. The Level51 Vapor 15 Pro is really one of the most exciting gaming laptops that I've come across, thanks to its lightweight nature, minimalist design, and compact form factor. But when it comes to pricing, that's where this laptop is a little bit hard to justify. There are two variants of the Vapor 15 Pro for our market. The base model, which comes with a GTX 1660 Ti GPU, retails at 5,199 ringgit. The higher-end RTX 2070 Max-Q model, on the other hand, goes for 7,499 ringgit. Yes, it is quite a costly gaming laptop, and you can definitely get other gaming machines that offers better price to performance ratio. But this is a compact premium gaming laptop, and that is the price that you have to pay. I'll be using the Vapor 15 Pro as my daily driver for the next few weeks to see if it can actually double as a good productivity laptop as well, thanks to its huge battery. I'm really quite excited to see if it will serve me well. Until then, stay tuned for a full review on nextrift.com. Like this video if you like it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and always stay tuned for more good stuff to come here at Nextrift.